I seem to always be seeing threads from folks saying that their battery just does not hold a charge like it's used to. In some of these situations, it's actually a recent firmware update that's caused the issue. But in other times, it's because the battery health has degraded, which is normal. This happens for a variety of reasons. So today, I'm going to show you how Samsung has built in a way for you to check the status of your battery on their Galaxy smartphones and tablets. For this method, we need access to the Samsung Members application. Many of you will notice this has been installed for you automatically, but if you do not see it in your app drawer, then go ahead and launch the Samsung Galaxy App Store and search for the Samsung Members application from there. It's going to be free to install, and it won't take much time at all. With that application installed, let's go ahead and open it up and look for the Support tab in the bottom bar here. If this is your first time using the application, there will be a big button that lets you begin the automated checks for a variety of hardware inside the phone. But once you've finished running that once, you can choose to test specific items one at a time, like I can right here. So either begin that automated suite of tests, or look for the battery test, wait for it to finish, and then look and see what the diagnostic check tells you. Samsung has 3 tiers when it comes to grading the health of your battery. Normal indicates no performance issues. Weak tells you its efficiency has degraded. And bad means significant degradation, often requiring service or a replacement. So this is how to access the test if you suspect the battery inside your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or tablet is starting to give out. As you saw, my Galaxy S26 has a normal battery indicator here, but what does yours say? Use the comments section down below. Let me know which phone you have and what your battery health indicator is at.